Peace and love, good people. Peace and love. So here we go, February 26th, another Tesla trade. And let's get into it. The lesson of the day is see profit, take profit. Lesson of the day is see profit, take profit. Yeah. We don't let green plays turn into red plays. So here we go at the open. We got a red candle coming down from 304.05, which is a support level. And we on a 2-minute time frame. We 1 minute in. Now, if you pay attention to the moving averages, you can see that it looks like there was a break right at that yellow moving average, the EMA, the 48 EMA. Now it broke through there. It came all the way up to 304.05, and now we turning around, coming back down. Are we going to retest 301.43? That's where the 48 EMA is. But we also know that it's a 2-minute candle. It can go either way. And we got 304.05 as the high of the last hour of the previous day. Some may have jumped in that green candle thinking we were going up to 307.25. We gotta be mindful. Is this the break and a retest? Let's switch to the 5-minute time frame just to get a different context on what's going on. So here we go. So anytime we see a pullback right to a level of support following a breakthrough, oftentimes we anticipate that we're going to continue in the same direction. But we gotta give the candle an opportunity to close. So we jumped in here a little bit early. As soon as we saw that candle take out the high of that previous candle, we jumped in there. And look at that. We down. Down. Way down. Now, this is us violating our max loss rules. We should have got out at 30. And we let it come all the way down. It wicked all the way down to the 8 EMA. Came back up. And I'm still violating my rules. So it gave me ample opportunity to get out. I hung around, and this time it's seemingly working in my favor. But again, we jumped the gun. It's the 2-minute time frame. We jumped right in at 9:34. Now here we go. That pulled all the way back to the high of yesterday, which is the new resistance. And here we are, taking out the high of that red candle. So this is what some may consider a red bar ignored. Okay. So now we're switching over to the options chart, which is inverted. So actually it's not inverted on the options chart. When you're doing a put, it shows up inverted. But on a call, we in the same position. We watching the green bar go up, and that's going to represent where we are in our stop loss as well as our take profit. So for me, I feel like this is a trade where I'm not on point. I'm just getting lucky that I haven't already been stopped out, because I have let this thing violate my stop loss about 4 or 5 times. And I think it's an initial shock that it's like a oh no kind of feeling where you kind of get frozen and you got to override that and get out and honor your stop loss. This particular play seems to be luck. This is luck. So we got a red bar ignored. So when we had a green bar, then we had a red bar, but then we have a following green bar that takes out the red bar, as almost as if it wasn't there. So at this point, we're up. This would be an amazing time to move my stop loss up to break even. I'm up $33, but do I do that? I have not done that yet. Yeah, this is just a rusty day. Like, I'm not feeling this trade. I don't like my behavior as I watch this. And when am I bringing this up to break even? Break even should be about 285. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Break even is 315. I'm tripping. I should have got out at 285. I need to bring this up to break even. I don't know what I'm looking at and watching. Okay, here we go. Now I'm finally starting to use my brain. So we brought this thing up to, again, we up 17%, 18%, 15, 16%. I'm not sure what's going on right now, y'all. I don't know why I'm lollygagging. I don't know who this guy is trading, because it's not me. 21%, 20%, I should have got out. I should have at least moved my stop loss up closer to the top. But I don't know who this guy is that's trading right now. I'm embarrassed. Look at that. Look at that. That's a nasty pullback. That's a nasty wick. The wick might as well be a red candle, because it's basically sellers pushing that price that we just grabbed back down in that window of time. So we're on a 2-minute time frame watching the sellers start stepping on these buyers. And we went from being up 21% to being down to being up 12%. Okay, and I got my stop loss at $5 tweaking. Yeah, this is the promise. See profit, take profit. And see profit, take profit can also mean just putting your stop loss in a profitable position. Like, there's no reason why if I'm up 43 that I don't have my stop loss at least positive 20. Like, this is ridiculous. Like, this is not a good trade. Don't trade like this. Don't trade like this. I'm not quite sure what I'm thinking about. I don't know where my mind is at. But I am not focused. Like, dude, you're up 16%. You're up 16%. That's good work. Why am I not bringing my stop loss up? The greed. 20%, 62.50. I could bring that up to 30. I could bring that up to 45 just to honor that extra space I gave myself on my stop loss, to make it a 1-to-1. Since I was willing to risk $45, I should have made sure I made 45. And we're at a resistance level because we're at a moving average. And I'm sitting here playing. Like, who do I think I am with one contract? How much money am I thinking is about to happen with one contract? And we going up in a bear market. I'm trying it. 66. Come on, man. Whose man's is this? Look at me. But see, let me be honest. This is February 26th. I think I didn't really wrap my mind around this thing till about the 28th. Like, I didn't wrap my mind around my strategy to slide my stop loss up and lock in profits at a certain point. So right now I'm just like excited to be on this options chart. Wrong answer. Look at that. And look at that. Came back, pulled back to the moving average. So again, Again, we hanging out in profit, and I have my stop loss at $5. Can y'all say nasty work? Put that in the chat. Nasty work. If you knew better, you do better. Oh man. Shout out to Loaded Lux. Rewind, find is more to find. I'm realizing that it was more than just me not seeing profit and taking profit. I literally did nothing. I was happy break at break even. We don't trade and spend all this time to break even. Look at us. We 10 minutes in. It's 9:40. I was up 60. I was up 60. And look at this. Now we're up 9. Nasty work. 1250. Nasty work. Who's man? Thumbs down, bro. Trash. Don't trade like that. Peace and love, and I hope you get rich. But you will not get rich not taking profit when you see it.